to buy TAY token. So as you can see, so before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account. As you can see, this token came under the Fusion name, and they released this token, as you can see, in the 12th January. So before going and buy this token, please go and check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, because this is most important. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token came under it's available on the screener. And to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and remember this token address came under this one network. Now open the Phantom wallet for that. Now click on swap here. Now that's what you need to do. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see here. Now after that, select your token here and type how much you want to buy. Now wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you received. Now after you read that and you are ready to go, now click on the provider from here and select the Jupiter, for example, and make sure you read all of that information. Now after that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So after that, you will be able to have this token in your wallet. So this is how to buy TAY token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.